got the ribbon Bang Man. Because, you know, I bang people. What was that? Anal. Thank you. I am very anal about everything. Ow. Brennan plays as Capcan. I like Capcan, so you can go fuck yourself.
Bitch, you give me shit for playing as
Yeah,
Capcan.
I know, because the traps are bad, but his guns, I like his guns.
Yeah, I like his
I
guns,
like
too.
fat operators, period.
You like what?
Fat operators.
Oh.
I like them
Capcan's fat?
thick. Yeah, he's 3 armor. That's what I mean by fat.
Oh. I thought you were talking about their player models.
No.
Oh,
What the
Rook's
hell?
pretty fat.
Yeah. I like all 3 armor operators. Except for Echo. I hate Echo.
Montagne.
Echo's such a
Montagne.
dumb shit.
Montagne means mountain in French.
He's learning. Wow. Mike, we're about to die.
Why?
Never mind, you laughed! Mike, behind us.
There's a guy right there.
Oh, shit. Oh, God. Oh, no.
Hey, I got their leader.
Hey. That's pretty good. Oh, I suck.
I'm chasing him. Oh, he got the kill. Run!
What? Are you okay?
Well, I was chasing him and I only screamed run because he stuck me with the torque bow, so I was running towards him.
Oh. That'd be amazing if you killed him. Oh, wow!
Oh,
That's
yeah.
some latency!
Man, I wish there was a kill cam so I could see that.
Don't worry, you'll see it on the video.
Oh, yeah.
I'll make it like a montage. No, that's too much work. I hate editing.
Really? I loved editing the
It's
video, the
so...
one I made.
Like, yeah, in short bursts, it's really fun. But when you do it, like, every day, every other day, it gets annoying.
Yeah, the only thing that was annoying about it was learning Adobe, whatever it was. I forgot what it was. Adobe Photoshop.
Oh.
Which apparently is like a high-grade shit that I had no idea.
Yeah. What?
That's like what movie producers use.
Yeah.
I had no idea. Oh shit, I'm the leader.
Yeah. Yeah, you are. Careful not to get headshotted.
Yeah, I know.
Do you? Because I
You
feel
think
like
I'm
you're gonna
safe
die
here?
to a headshot. Well,
I feel like I have 2 entrances.
yeah, you do. There's a guy on this side. I can
Yeah, I
smell
saw him.
Or he might be coming up those stairs at some point. Or these stairs.
I think he's on your side. I saw the guy run under the bridge. I don't know
Oh
where he
crap!
went.
Mike, run! They're spawning here!
Shit, move, Hoffman!
I'm
Sorry,
sorry.
move.
I saw their leader behind you. I had to. Ah! I shot him! I'm so sorry!
I hit him! But I hit him though!
I should have said something.
No, it's fine. I saw him. But I hit him.
Oh.
And I just...
Yeah, I hit him too! The inconsistencies with the Nasher is just so bad.
Brennan, it's because when you aim, it actually comes out the barrel, but when you don't aim, it doesn't come out the barrel.
Yeah. What, Mama? 10? Well, it looks like this is my last game.
Alright,
10 minutes. What time is it?
12:23.
Oh, I guess that's fine. Why am I the leader again? Hoffman! You cock. Hoffman, give it to me.
I want donuts.
Hoffman. Alright, Hoffman's just giving our sniper to them. Oh crap. Everyone's dead. Oh, don't spook me like that.
Brandon, do I make a journey to go get donuts?
No, you don't. Oh my god, that almost hit me. Ah. Get him, Mike. Yeah, yeah. No!
Oh, that's nice. He's down. Oh, and Tico killed him.
Good job, Antico. Where is it?
This guy's name is Beer or Die. Total bro move, bro.
Bro.
But I think I'm gonna go get donuts.
You should go get their leader instead.
Alright, I got you,
We
baby.
should.
Oh!
Oh, never mind. This is a bad idea. It's a very bad idea.
Bro, what are you doing? Beer or Die?
Beer or die. They're coming on my left. Oh. Do you think this pole will save me if I aim right now?
No, don't even try it.
I'm trying to. Oh god, Mike.
What?
You almost died. Damn. Need to time it, right? The attacks.
What? They have both of them?
Yeah, I told you Hoffman gave our sniper to them.
Oh, I wasn't even listening to you.
Well, they're coming. Their leader's there at least. Look, he doesn't even know I'm here. I don't think.
Brandon, we spawned.
What? I will play that
I don't
back.
fucking stand. Brandon, kill him. Kill his ass. Fuck that bitch. Stick your dick in his ass. Stick your girl
yeah,
in his ass.
right in his
Come on.
ass.
Yeah, fuck him. Fuck that guy, Brandon. Hold on, turn around. Let me get him. Let me get in this action.
Look out!
Yeah!
No! You wanted your meats to be mixed.
That's what happens when I come. I just explode.
That was so fucking hot.
Can you imagine just having sex and right when you come you just explode?
Oh!
You're like a toy. You're like and all your arms and limbs just
They just pop off.
oh, that was funny.
I never
Oh, man,
died.
I hope you were recording that.
Yes, I was.
Oh, that was good shit. Thank you for. Oh, I want to
Aw.
play Guardian with you on Win.
Shame.
All
What a
right.
shame. Maybe next time. Maybe later.
Yeah, maybe later. Maybe later tonight. I'll text you.
All right.
If not tonight, then tomorrow night.
Okay.
All right.
Beep beep.